One-way experiment journal. Analysis of variance technique. In the estimation and hypothesis test, material covered in chapter 9 and 10. We were restricted in each case, considering no more than two population parameters. Such was the case, for example, in testing for the equality of two population mean using independent sample from normal population with common but unknown variance, where it was necessary to obtain a pooled estimate of sigma square. This material done dealing in two sample inference represents a special case of what we call the one factor problem. For example, in exercise 10.35 on page 357, the serial time we measure for two sample of 5, where one sample we call a new serum and leukemia treatment, and the other sample received no treatment. In this case, we say that here is one factor, namely treatment, and the factor is at 2 level. A serial computing treatment were being used in the sampling process. More samples of mice would be necessary. In this case, the problem would involve one factor with more than two level and thus more than two sample in the k greater than 2 sample problem. It will be assumed that there are k samples from k population. One very common procedure used to deal with testing population mean is called the analysis of variance or ANOVA. H naught is assumption and H1 is alternate assumption. H naught mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu5. Alternate hypothesis, at least two of the mean are not equal. Key important measure of variability. SST, total sum of square. SSA, treatment sum of square. SSE, error sum square. The sum of square identity can then be represented symbolically by the equation SST is equal to SSA plus SSE. The treatment mean square S1 square is equal to SSA upon K minus 1. Error mean square S square is equal to SSE divided by K bracket N minus. This is a table 13.3 analysis of variance of one-way ANOVA. First column source of variation, treatment, error, total. Sum of square SSA, SSE, SST. Degree of freedom K minus 1, K bracket N minus 1, K N minus 1. mean square S1 square S square. Computed F S1 square divided by S square. Now we have to start the exercise 13.1. 6 different machines are being considered for use in manufacturing rubber seals. The machines are being compared with respect to tensile strength of product. A random sample of 4 seals from each machine is used to determine whether the mean tensile strength varies from machine to machine. The following are the tensile strength measurement in kilogram per square centimeter into 10 to the power minus 1. Machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, machine 5, machine 6. This is the data machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, and machine 5, 6. Perform the analysis of variance at the 0.05 level of significance and indicated whether or not the mean tensile strength differ significantly for the 6 machine.
गवर्नर कामरान मसूरी का पढ़ा है ना, कहते हैं अमेरिकी कंपनी से मुआहदा हो गया, गवर्नर हाउस में आईटी तालीम पढ़ने वाले 1 लाख नौजवानों को नौकरियां दी जाएंगी। अमेरिका जाने का सारा खर्चा भी कंपनी अदा करेगी। माहाना तनख्वाह 90,000 से $1,20,000 तक होगी।
इस्लामाबाद में अमेरिका से आई हुई शख्सियत मुबश्शिर काजी साहब साइबर रेंज सॉल्यूशन के नाम से की कंपनी है। उन्होंने एक एमओयू तो इस्लामाबाद में साइन किए और दूसरा एमओयू गवर्नर सेल आईटी इनिशिएटिव के तहत साइन किया। पाकिस्तान के लिए 20-40 हजार जॉब्स हैं वो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। जिनसे ताल्लुक रखने वाले जो नौजवान गवर्नर हाउस में पढ़ रहे हैं 1 लाख जॉब्स हासिल कर सकेंगे।
अमेरिका में
से ये कंपनी हमें मुफ्त में 6 महीने का ये कोर्स करवाएंगे। अगले हफ्ते से हमारा वो कोर्स शुरू होने जा रहा है।
अगले हफ्ते से
सर्टिफिकेशन हासिल कर लेता है वो एलिजिबल हो जाएगा जॉब के लिए।
अब 6 महीने का होगा अभी कोर्स।
अगले हफ्ते 1,20,000
नौजवानों के लिए अमेरिका में चीन के नौजवान सुनते हैं। आज की खबर है, क्लासेस खत्म हो गई, नहीं खत्म थोड़ी हुई।